Hello everyone, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cloudflare tunnel with MCS Manager. First, you want to install MCS Manager if you haven't already. Today we're going to work on Windows. Okay, and you also want to go to Cloudflare and click on, it'll be, in your main page it'll be called Zero Trust. Click on that, and then here it'll take you here. Go to networks and click on create a tunnel, and then right here Cloudflared, click on that and name it whatever you would like. I'm gonna name it YouTube. Save tunnel. Alright, and then you want to install Windows 64-bit. Download. Okay, and you will want to run Cloudflared. This may come up. Cloudflare is safe. I don't know why they haven't paid for it. It's odd, but it works. Run anyway. Click yes. Alright. Open a command prompt as administrator. So we will do cmd run as admin. Okay, and type Cloudflare, or actually it'll say right here, copy this, go back to here, paste this in, enter, and there you go. And then we're gonna work on the zip over here. You want to extract it into a normal folder. Now if you are doing both of them on the same, if you are doing both the Daemon and the panel on the same computer or server, you'll only need one tunnel. But if they are on different servers or computers, you will need two, one for the Daemon and one for the Daemon and one for the panel. And for this video I'm going to show you how to do it on one, but it works the same as if you were doing it on two, and I'll tell you what to add to what. Alright, now that's open, we are going to go into MCS Manager, go into Daemon, and go to, where is it? Go to, oh, I think we have to start it first. Go back. If you're doing both on the same, you want to just hit this start.bat. If it's separate, go to your Daemon, go to MCS Manager, go to Daemon, and click Start Daemon. That's if you're doing it on a different device, but if not, just click Start on here. More, run anyway. Allow. Allow again. And there we go. Now you can just close this because we don't need it for now. Just remember the ports that you're using. Well, I think so. The panel is 23333 and the Daemon by default is 24444, but we will change that in a second. Go to MCS Manager, Daemon, and click data config. Right click on this global.json, click edit in notepad, and change this port right here. Change it to 443, and then save that. Click save, and there we go. And then go to your right here, go to here, and we click next since this is ready. Okay, you want to, sorry, I'm feeling a bit sick, but over here you want to add a subdomain. So if you're doing it both under one, you can technically do it whatever you would like. So panel, if you're doing it both under one computer or one server, we'll add two host names here. But if not, we'll add the panel host name to one tunnel and the Daemon host name on the other tunnel. But since we're doing it both under one, we'll do it here. Panel dot host.e.com, and this doesn't matter unless you wanted to put something there. And then for service, you want to enter HTTP and URL. We will enter localhost localhost 23333. That's for the panel. Click save tunnel. Okay, and you'll go back into here, edit, public, click add a public host name. This is for the Daemon. You can really do it just server. You can do it whatever you would like. HTTP localhost 443. Click save hostname. Alright, and now you should be ready to yep. There's one step I forgot to mention, and I'm sorry about that. Make sure you type Cloudflared tunnel login, and it will open this. Select the domain you would like to connect it to, authorize, and success. Now you can close this and click start. There we go, that's just on localhost. Now you can enter panel dot, and there we go. Get started. Let's do test. Create account. I'm gonna go with experience, but you go with whatever you would like to go with. But I've already used MCS Manager before, so I don't mind going experienced. And then go over to Daemon. Now this is because we changed it to 443, but we won't worry about this. This is localhost anyway. Click new domain. For the IP, type, we said server, I believe. Go over to public server. Yep. Change this to 443. Domain key. This you will want to get from your folder here, MCS Manager, and data config, edit, and this key right here. Copy that. Go over here, paste. This is a test environment, so I don't mind sharing the key or anything. It's getting deleted after this video anyway. Click confirm. Oh, sorry. Add a name. Confirm. Oh, and one more thing. It'll show up as it doesn't show up at all. Go over here, type WSS:/ before your server.domain.com. Confirm. Reconnect. It takes a second, but there we go. It is now working. Node status online. Front end connection normal. Now, if you did it on 2 different tunnels, I'll show you how to do that real quick. So basically, delete this. Pretend like this YouTube is just the panel only, not the Daemon. Now I'm gonna go over to my other server, go back to tunnels, create a tunnel, select. This is gonna be the Daemon. Save tunnel. Same thing. You won't need to download it. Well, actually no. If you're on a different device, yes, download it. Follow the instructions. Click next. And then over here, this is where you would do server dot your domain type, and then here you would do the same thing. Localhost, or no, yeah, localhost /:, 443, save, and that would get that working, but I don't have it configured to a device at all, so it won't work. But yep, that's how you would get it to work. And it would be Daemon and panel. If they're both on the same one, then you only need one tunnel. So one tunnel if both the panel and the Daemon are on the same device. If not, then separate tunnels. And I hope you all enjoyed. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.